In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the visitor log in Konnect. To enable the visitor log, you can click on your service and under configuration, click on your settings menu. You're then going to click on Konnect and click on enable visitor log. Once this feature is enabled, you can then update and edit the terms and conditions that your visitors will see when they sign in using Konnect. Now that this feature is enabled, we're going to switch over to Konnect to show you how you can use the visitor log. You will notice that on your home screen or on the dashboard, you can see visitor log. You can simply click on open visit log and it will land you into the visitor log screen. The visitor will click on new visitor and enter in their phone number. If they have signed in to your service before with a mobile number, when they enter in this mobile number, it will pre-populate the data that was used before. This can be edited if these details have been changed for whatever reason. The visitor will need to complete all mandatory fields that have marked with a red star. And click sign in as a visitor. You will then see the terms and conditions and the visitor needs to read those terms and conditions and click continue. Once the Guardian has signed in, they can click back. This will take them back to that home page. If a Guardian is currently logged in, the visitor log is also available from a staff login, so they can click on go to visitor log. This will land them back into that visitor log screen, allowing the visitor to simply sign out. The visitor log menu is also available on the left-hand side of the Konnect menu. And if the service has the QR code feature enabled, the visitor can also scan the QR code and that will bring up the visitor log screen on their own device. If you require any further information on our visitor log feature in Konnect, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.